Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Beale in Maryland on its Ranger RCI 99N4. Beale, got it ready to go for you, bud? Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, wideband transmit, wideband receive, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrade in the radio section for durability and a little bit more PEP power. Mr. Beale, let's just get right to it. Start with RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Like I said, about 20 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. So just about 120 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 230 watts bird average. Go over here, the 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 625 PEP. Alright, Beale, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump, bump.